Hello and welcome. I would like to take you through this website, which is like a hospital. And so the very first one we have is a homepage, and in the homepage we have this beautiful face over here. These are just random images. You can change this using your own images that are from your hospital. Then from here we have this call to action which takes us to a service or contact, but we're going to see that later. Then when you go down below, let me just refresh this. When you go slightly down, you'll see that these images and cards are opening slowly and very beautiful, and the reason for doing this is just to keep the user engaged. If you look down the images, these are just vague images I have downloaded them from the internet, and so this is how the website looks from the homepage. And if you have your own images, this is where you can change them. But look at what and how the website looks like. Just below we have the frequently asked questions, which is more about the hospital, just providing additional information. Like if I just click here, it's going to open and just talk about this specific headline over here. You can close it back. Then just down we have a call to action, which is a book an appointment. Then just down below we have subscribe to our newsletters, which is more about if you normally provide like updates and maybe monthly, weekly information to clients. So this is where they can put their names and emails, and then they will be receiving that direct into their emails. Then here we have like healthy tips and updates, which is more like to keep your user healthy. Down below we have the footer, which is more about the quick links, services, and the contact information. This is a very important place where you can get lots of information, or like you can get information quickly without like going to the navigation. So here we have like a sitemap. On the second page we have about page, and the about page just it's more about the information about the hospital, how it began. And as you can see, it has this beautiful picture over here, but it can be replaced with your own image. Then it has a journey, which is more about the journey of the hospital since it was established to where it is right now. Then here we have missions and visions. It's about this information. These are just vague information. You can retain them, but you can just change them to suit your needs. Here we have readerships. So this is where you change all this information, the images. Then here we have about the statistics of the hospital, about the qualified staffs, the patient treated, the specialties, and then you have the emergency care. Then you have the footer just down below. Next page we have services. In the services we have the services that are just done or are someone can expect to get from the hospital. So this is more about the services that you offer as the hospital. So this is what I came up with, and as you can see, it has the same beautiful animations in every page and images and everything that you might want or you might expect from a hospital. Then here we have call to actions. These call to actions, we are going to see them later. I just don't want us to jump to places, but if we go down, we see about the testimonials which you've just seen, and the statistics and the footer. So in all these call to actions, if I click contact us, it's going to take us to the next page, which is the contact page. And the contact page, let me just refresh it. It has the contact information or where someone can reach you. First of all, they can send you an image through this form by entering the full name, email address, the phone number, and then the message. Then they can click send message. And we have custom script for this, which if they click send message, they will save the user or the one responsible for this website will receive an email directly into their inbox. Next, we have the contact information. You can get them physically by maybe visiting them, their location, using the map just below. Then you have the call information, then you have the email, and the map that we've embedded just shows the exact location of the hospital. Then just down below we have the footer, which is just like any other page. Lastly, we have book an appointment. And so that marks the end of this tour of the website. So if you like it, let me know in the comment section below and send your email and contact us through the contact information as shown or as typed below. Until next time, guys. Bye bye.